Maybvlogs murder case by maybe guilty, maybe not.
Mehak Bukhari and 7 others. Accused of a murder and manslaughter trial day 24. From Leicester Crown Court.
The driver of the seat Leon, accused of ramming a car off the A46 and causing the deaths of 2 men, has said he accepts some degree of responsibility for what happened, but denied ramming the car or trying to harm them. Raiz Jamal, the third defendant to give evidence in the double murder trial centered around TikTok influencer Mehak Bukhari and her mother Ansreen, made the admission while giving evidence under oath yesterday afternoon. He is jointly accused with the 7 others, including his cousin Amir Jamal, of killing Hashim Ijazuddin and his friend Saqib Hussain. Saqib had been blackmailing his ex-lover, Ansreen, with nude pictures and videos of her, which he had threatened to put online and send to her husband. Raiz Jamal's barrister, Leonard Smith KC, asked him, "Do you feel any responsibility for their deaths?" He told the jury at Leicester Crown Court, "I feel some degree responsible for their deaths, yes. I feel if I wasn't driving as fast, there would be no tragic accident." He was careful to call it an accident. When asked for the background about what was happening that night in February last year, Raiz said he had been misinformed by Mehak and told that there were nude images and videos of Mehak on Saqib's phone. He told the jury, "I was trying to get in front of the Skoda to slow him down. I wanted to retrieve the content off the phone. He was a blackmailer." Raiz said that as he tried to overtake the Skoda and slow the Skoda down, he was blocked and had to brake, causing the crash. He said, "When I tried overtaking the Skoda tried blocking me off, which caused me to brake, which caused it going into the central reservation." He said the Skoda was in the center of the 2 lanes at that point, and he had been trying to overtake around the outside. Mr. Smith asked, "Was there any contact at this time between the Skoda and the seat Leon?" Raiz said no, but that there had been one contact earlier in the pursuit, near to the Shell services on the A46. He added, "It was light contact." He said he did not see the car become airborne, but saw it disappearing into the bushes and assumed it had crashed. Mr. Smith asked what he thought might have happened to those in the Skoda. He said he knew they would have been seriously injured or hurt. The jury has heard that the seat and Mehak's Audi TT both pulled off the A46 after the crash and then headed back into Leicester, passing the wreck of the Skoda, which had burst into flames. When asked what the mood was in his car as they passed the flaming wreckage of the car, he said, "Everyone was just going mad. We saw the Skoda had burst into flames. I didn't know what to do." When asked about the people inside the Skoda, he replied, "I knew that the 2 were dead." The jury has already heard that Rikan Karwan had been driving Mehak's Audi at the time of the crash, and when they stopped on the A46, Mehak took over driving, while Natasha Akhtar took over from Raiz in the driver's seat of the seat. When asked why he swapped places with Natasha, Raiz told the jury he did not have a driving license and did not want to get caught by police if they were at the crash site as they returned down the A46 towards Leicester. He said, "I knew some type of authorities would have been there, so I didn't want to be seen driving the car." All 8 defendants deny murder and manslaughter, instead saying it was a tragic accident. The trial will continue today with Raiz Jamal giving his evidence.
Today's proceedings and updates are next up. Please read on for the latest. Thank you. Today's proceedings are over or adjourned. We will be back tomorrow. We thank you for your unconditional love and support. We hope you will continue to support us.